Take a ride in the 2022 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, heads-up display, trip computer, universal garage door opener, cargo net, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.